Clustering is a very effective strategy on Expedia and Booking.com that allows you to combine multiple units under one listing. When you cluster, that single listing benefits by showing each unit's availability as well as combining their reviews and previous conversions. On average, there is a 40% booking increase for property managers who cluster. Some properties have experienced up to a 7-fold increase in their production. Clustered units must share the same physical address, and they also must provide guests with access to the same property-level amenities. Their room-level amenities, cancellation policies, and fees, however, can be different. On our platform, you can view your clustered units on the Properties tab by clicking the gear icon and then selecting the Complex option. Once you've created a complex with multiple units, you can choose a primary unit or property by clicking the star next to it. You can also designate a complex hero image by selecting the Complex Cover Photo option. Remember to click Save Complex after you finish editing. When you're ready to publish a complex, all of your clustered units will share the same ID number, allowing you to easily keep track of all the complexes you've created. Thank you for choosing Vacay Home Connect.